successful night boarding. Our solar lights really help us out. There's a bunch of spiders all over the place though. Lots of webs connecting everywhere. Can't see anything probably because there's no moon. There's some kind of really big party going on over there. Lots and lots of golf carts. Lots of activity. It is a nice 76 degrees on here, so I'm gonna open up the hat and let in the cool night breeze. It'll be nice and cool before we know it. Probably one of the last breezy, cool nights before it gets hot again for Labor Day weekend. We're getting all cozy here. Ready to go to bed. Kurt just dropped me off at the T-dock, and I think this boat that is a little bit more than beached up here was the one that went out when we were coming out to our boat. They didn't come back in until like 1:30 in the morning. So he's definitely gonna have to wait till high tide if he wants to go fishing today. Good morning, everybody. We are starting the day off with some mimosas and gas management. We filled up our 14-gallon gravity-fed fuel dispenser. This is one of Kurt's birthday presents that I got for him. And then we have all of our little tanks over here. Alright, I will help you hold the funnel so there is no environmental spill here. Tide's coming in, so that guy should be able to boat later today. We've got pirates by our boat. Kayak pirates. We're heading out to fuel up and clean. It's a fun chore day today. Got our water fill system going here, so this will fill up the bladder under the rear berth. It was a wet start, but now it's nice and dry. The hose goes in and the bladder's under the berth there. For some reason, every time I'm recording, Kurt's got to make some thumping sounds. Filling the 12-gallon gas tank from the 5-gallon gas tank. And our water is filling nicely. And then we're gonna start swabbing the deck. We gotta clean those gas tanks too, probably. Our neighbors are crabbing. Got a pretty good setup there on the kayak. They said they caught 8 so far. I don't know what all you can see. Hopefully, like, all the boat here. I'm gonna start scrubbing the deck. Kurt's listening to his tunes and he's going to install some sound dampening material under the cockpit area where the motor is. That's where we put the generator, so it'll help with the sound when the generator's running at night. And I'm just waiting for this stuff to activate, get all the dirt off. Looks like it's working already. There's a bunch of like gross stuff over there. So yeah, gonna start scrubbing this side. I was gonna do the whole cockpit, but I ran out of the cleaning solution, so only half's getting done. Oh my god. I almost fell over. You did it. Here's one of the mini spiders that live on our boat. Just chilling on the lines there. It's working really well. Got all the black stuff off of there. I only did this one so far. You can see how grimy all the rest of it is. Ew. Round number 2 of freshwater. I motored the dinghy over here for the first time. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to get the engine up, so maybe Kurt will show me how to do that. I'm motoring the dinghy all by myself. Let's see if I can wreck into the boat like I'm known to do with motorboats. I just wreck them. I'm probably gonna stop the motor like before I even get close to the boat. But I'm doing it all by myself. I'm in the dinghy.
It only took her about 30 pulls on the dinghy motor, but she eventually started it. Here she comes, she's gonna run into the boat. Let's see if she runs into the boat. Well, here it comes. Yep.
I've done better jobs. I made it back to the boat. Where Kurt is now swabbing the deck because he thinks he can do a better job than me.
I know that I can.
Oh, he knows that he can, so that's fine. But I used the dinghy motor instead of paddling the whole way there and back. They saved my arm muscles here. That's probably good. So we're only coming out of the water for like 2 hours and they're gonna go back onto the boat. Also, I just found out that my cheap Walmart legging shorts are not meant to be worn as shorts without something covering your butt, especially if you have a big booty like mine. So they're just basically see-through. Just running around here with my butt hanging out. So now that's something I gotta worry about too. It's a crazy long line of boats waiting to get in. Nice day for boating, not too choppy out there. Nice light breeze too. We're not going out though. We'll go out next weekend when it's Labor Day. It's super crowded and busy. At least we got the gas in and the water in. Alright, Kurt's doing yard work, so I am off to the pool in my new swim dress. So before I go swimming, I actually wanted to check on the new no-wake buoy that they were installing. We saw them towing it behind their golf cart when we were leaving the boat launch earlier. So I'm gonna go see how far out they put it. If they put it beyond our boat in the water, it would be really cool because it would help keep the wake down as people approach the channel. They haven't put it out very far yet. But that's what it looks like. It can be a floating buoy. I think they're gonna put it out further than just right there. Alright, that was a nice swim break, not too crowded. I'm waiting to pick up my lunch from the grill here. There's golf carts, and then there's this little thing. I'd like to see the kid who rides this. Or maybe it's a full-grown man. You never know. This is Blake's favorite game at the arcade. He tries to get the $100 bill. So close. Heading back to the campsite to eat our lunch. It was busy in there. I got a salad with our lunch because I thought it was going to be like a little side salad. This thing weighs like 5 pounds. It's huge. Going paddleboarding. Right there is the slow no wake buoy. It's new. It's really cool. It's got a solar garden light on it, so you can actually see the sign at night also. Kurt is in the dinghy and I am on the paddleboard. I was gonna beat him, I think, but I'm letting him win. No wake, sir! Oh boy! Nothing. He couldn't hear me. So yeah, scrubbed off all the dirt from that side of the cockpit. We didn't have enough cleaner for this side of the cockpit, but Kurt still scrubbed it and it looks a lot better. There is the no wake sign. Slow no wake. Right next to that little channel marker that we usually run into or get close to running into it when we're coming over to the boat at night. How's it going? Waiting for Kurt to get out of the bathroom. I'm eating some cherries. They're from Oregon, but I think it's almost the end of season for cherries.